Hey everyone, welcome to another short video. I made a recipe yesterday for overnight chia oatmeal, which is a refrigerated oatmeal. There's my finished product. And I am going to do the unveiling of said product. Ooh, the vanilla. At first smell, like I said, I smell the vanilla. See if I can do this without spilling it everywhere. Oh. It tastes exactly like hot oatmeal. That's actually really good. And it's something I can actually do. There. Now, before I leave, last night I did something pretty cool, but I have to go get it, so just bear with me. This summer we decided to grow herbs in a pot out on the balcony, and now that it's fall and it's getting a little colder, I decided to dry them. So I have some dill. I know the lighting's a little weird, but that's dill, I promise. My personal favorite, basil. And some rosemary. So that's what I've been doing for the past little while. Cooking up some refrigerator oatmeal. Drying herbs. This one smells good. And of course, the dill. So this is what I've been doing, getting ready for winter. Easy oatmeal, dried herbs. See you guys later. Have a great day.